Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today I will tell you how to install multiple WhatsApp accounts in your WhatsApp. I will show you almost 5 to 10 WhatsApp accounts in a single mobile. It is especially for Samsung phones, which includes Samsung secure folder. Now, first of all, you have APK file of WhatsApp business. You can also download and install it from Play Store, and GB WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp, and WhatsApp Simple. I have already installed all these apps in my phone. Now, in Samsung phone or other phones, you have second account option, WhatsApp account, matlab dual WhatsApp account, dual messenger options. I am applying it. Now you will see it will create a separate WhatsApp account. It has also option of use separate contact list. You can add or add separate contacts for this special dual WhatsApp account. Here you can see you have now 1 2 3 4 5 WhatsApp account. You can easily activate in on different cell numbers, as I have only two cell numbers, so I have already installed only two WhatsApp. But you can, if you have multiple phone numbers, you can install it easily. Here you can see all are working properly. Now in Samsung cell phones you have a secure folder option. Here you can see secure folder. First of all, you have to activate your secure folder by adding your Samsung account or through Google, or simply sign up your Google account. After that, you will be watching your secure folder in your app drawer. I have already added WhatsApp business in my secure folder. Basically, secure folder is separate a box, a dual phone, a second space for encrypted second space, in which you can add multiple dual apps and encrypt them easily. Here we have add apps. You will click on add apps. You can see your original phone apps, as I have clicked GB WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp. I will add it here. Now you are watching the magic. You have now 4 WhatsApp account in your secure folder. I am only using a single WhatsApp account here, and you can see here GB WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp, and WhatsApp account is also activated. So here we have wait a second. Here we have four WhatsApp account in secure folder, and 5 WhatsApp account in my original phone. So I have basically 9 WhatsApp in my single phone. I will give you more tricks about adding more accounts by installing apps from Play Store, like Parallel app or Dual Messenger app. You can add more WhatsApp account in same phone easily. I will show you in different video for the same, and I will paste all download links in the description. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.